Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Doodle group meeting. So to start off, you're going to go to doodle.com, and I'm already there. So then you're going to press create if you haven't already pressed it, and then you're going to have four different options. And this time we're going to press group poll, and then it's going to load and do whatever it has to do. So something's going to pop up, so you can just scroll down if you have the option. You're going to enter your title. So we're just going to put group meeting, and then we're going to do this meeting on Zoom. So then you're going to add a note if you want to. You really don't have to because it's optional. So then you're going to press continue. So you're going to create, pick your day that you want it to be. So for instance, I'm just going to pick Friday, January 28th, and then we're going to press continue. So then you can just click whatever you want on this page, and then you're going to press finish. So being that you have to share your invite, so you're going to click where you have to email the meeting to whoever. So you're going to enter whoever. So I'm just going to enter my my home email so I can give you guys a good example. And then after that, you're gonna press email invite and scroll down, and you can see everything or whatever. And